Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful and so easy bucket hat. I use less than 100 grams of yarn for this, and you can make it in 2 hours and just weave it. For this one I used a category 4 worsted weight yarn and 4.5 millimeter hook. In the beginning of the video you can see a 5 millimeter hook. I started with 5 millimeter hook, then I didn't like the results, so I remade this part with 4.5, then keep going with 4.5, so don't mind this hook. Okay, you are gonna use a 4.5. Of course, if you are a very tight hand crocheter, you can make it 5 too. It's very easy. As I told you, we are gonna use double crochets. I'm gonna show you how to make it too. So that's a beginner friendly tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link below. It's totally free, and if you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. Insert from this first chain, make a slip stitch. Now you see this ring we are gonna work into here. Chain 3 is a double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a double crochet. We have 2 double crochets right now, and I'm gonna make 10 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me count. 10, totally 12 double crochets, okay? 12. Now insert from this third chain, join with a slip stitch. Chain 3. Now we are gonna make increases. We are gonna put 2 double crochets into each stitch. I made 1. Into this third chain I'm gonna put 1 more. Into this next stitch I'm gonna put 2. Next stitch, put 2. And repeat this till the end. I complete the row. Now I have 24 stitches. If you want to know the stitch numbers, for each row you are gonna add 12. Okay? I had 12, now 24. It will be 36 for the next row, for example. Join from this third chain. Chain 3. For this row, we are gonna make a double crochet, then an increase. We made the first double, into the next stitch, put 2. Next, put only 1. Next, put 2. 1, 2. And that's our repeat. In the end, I'm gonna put 2 double crochets into this last stitch. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 3 as a double. Now for this row, we are gonna make 2 double crochets and increase. But I don't want to put all the increases on the top of the other one. If I made 1, 2 double crochet and put the increase here, its shape will be a little bit sharp when I keep going. Okay, so I'm gonna start with 1 double crochet, then an increase, and starting from here we are gonna make 2 doubles, 1, 2, and increase. We made a double increase. We are gonna make the second double crochet when we turn back here. Okay, make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, put 2 double crochet into same stitch. Repeat this till the end. In the end, I made an increase. Now I'm gonna put 1 more double crochet and join with a slip stitch. Chain 3. For this row, we will make 3 double crochets and an increase. I made 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and increase. That's our repeat, each at that. Complete the row with an increase and chain 3. For this row we are gonna make 4 double crochets and increase, but I'm gonna start with 2 double crochets, then an increase, and 4 double crochets, increase. Four doubles in a row, put 2 doubles into same place, and repeat this till the end. I made last increase. I'm gonna put 2 more double crochets, chain 3. For this row we will make 5 doubles and an increase, 3, 4, 5, 2 doubles into same place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase. Repeat this. Now I made the last increase, join with a slip stitch. I'm gonna measure it. It's 17 centimeters, and that's good for me. 16, 17. If you have A little bigger head, 18, will work. Now starting from here, I'm gonna make a few rows without any increases, okay? Put one double crochet into each stitch and wait for a second. I'm gonna give you the row counts and measurements. I made totally 15 rows. It's 6.5 inch, 16 centimeters. If you're making a bigger size, you can add one more row, maybe two. Now I have 84 stitches. It's multiples of 12, of course. You could have a different number, 72 or 96. It will be multiples of 12. So we are gonna start to increase, like make 11 double crochets, and into the 12th stitch we are gonna make an increase. Chain 3, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, and 11. Into the next, put 2. That's our repeat mid-shed end. I made the last increase, join, chain 3. For this row we are gonna make 12 double crochets and increase. I'm gonna start with 6 double crochets like we did here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 doubles. Now you are gonna make 12 and increase. I made last increase. I'm gonna make 6 more double crochets. Join, chain 3, make 13 double crochets and an increase. It's 13, 2 double crochets in the same place. Repeat this till the end. For the next row, our repeat is 14, then an increase, 14 double crochets in a row, but we are gonna start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 7 double crochets and an increase, then make 14, an increase, repeat it till the end. And then you're gonna make 7 double crochets, join, and we are gonna make one more row with double crochets. As you know, 15 double crochets, then an increase. Just complete this row 2 and don't cut your yarn. We are gonna make one last row. As a border, we are gonna make a kind of crab stitch. Easiest way. Chain 1. Insert into the same stitch, grab the yarn. 2 loops on the hook. Just twist the hook 1 time. Yarn over, pull through 2. Insert into this next stitch, grab the yarn. Turn your hook 1 time, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Insert into the stitch, grab the yarn. Turn your hook 1 time, grab the yarn, pull through. Oops. I'm not making it too tight, too loose. Just use your regular tension. That's the first stitch. I'm gonna join with a slip stitch and cut this yarn. Now we are gonna hide it. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.